The Inspector tab in Apple Motion. As I have mentioned before, the Inspector tab contains the properties, behaviors, filters, and the other tab here for the layer. Let's create our simple shape. I will create a circle. After creating my circle, you can see here on the Inspector tab the properties of the circle. From the transform tools to the blending. We can also turn on the drop shadow of the layer, adjust the four corner. You can also crop your circle and timing. Then beside the properties tab, we have the behaviors tab, which I mentioned before that any behavior you apply to your layer will appear in here. For example, I will apply a spin behavior on my circle. After applying the spin behavior, it will appear in here. The spin behavior also contains a few parameters that you can adjust. Next is filters. So currently we don't have any filters applied. For this example, I will go to filters, distortion, and I will apply the wave. After applying the wave filter, the wave filter's properties will appear in here. Lastly is the shape tab. So this shape tab contains the styling up to the geometry of the layer. Of course, each layer will have a different properties in here. So for example, if I click this group, you will have these properties or the group controls. So that's the Inspector tab in Apple Motion.